Hi, paint lovers. I'm Sparkling by name, your guest trainer for today. Today, I'm going to show you how to make or produce a top quality emulsion paint that sells. Whether you want to start your own paint brand or you just want to learn the secret formula, this section is going to be hands on, fun, and packed with insider tips. By the end, you will know how to make a smooth, vibrant, and doable paint from the scratch. Let's mix it up and get started. So, you are going to be using calcium, deformer, water, so acrylic, ammonia, titan, natural salt, and gel maple. So this is 10 liters of water. So I'm going to add my titan. So you can see I've started adding my titan. Then I start stirring it. So for it to dissolve very well. So I'm adding the former. So the next thing is your cashew. You can see I'm adding it. So you can see my assistant, small but mighty. Please give her a shout out in the comment section. Then we are still adding more calcium. Then I mix it very well. So we dissolve our natural salt with little water. Then we pour it into the mixture. Then you start turning it together to it to dissolve very well. Now we are adding our juniper and continue mixing. Now add the acrylic and continue mixing it. Make sure you mix thoroughly as you can see me doing it. Lastly, we will add our ammonia and continue mixing it thoroughly. Guys, we have come to the end of this paint production. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe as that will encourage us to do more video like this for you guys. Thank you guys and God bless you. Mwah. Bye.